Slack star, welcome to Techie Guys channel. Today we are fixing a common problem: how to change the time on poll in Slack. Ever set up a poll and realize the timing was all wrong? No worries, by the end of this video, you will know how to fix it like a pro. Let's go. Before we change anything, let's check if your poll app allows edit. Slack does not have a built-in poll feature, so most likely you are using an app like Polly, Simple Poll, SurveyMonkey for Slack. Some allows edit, some don't. Let's see what works. If you are using Polly, here's how to edit the time. Find the poll in Slack, click the three dot next to the poll, select poll if available, adjust the poll duration and save change. Easy, right? But what if you are changing an app that does not let you edit? Let's fix that next. If you can't edit the time, closing the poll and making a new one is the best option. Type /polly close in the Slack message box. Select the poll you want to close, confirm to end it, create a new poll with the correct time using the command, and just like that, your poll is fixed and ready to go. And that's how you change the time in a Slack poll. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Slack hacks, and don't forget to comment. And thank you for watching.